Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Adil, and today's video is all about a Defender 110 radio conversion, giving you loads more functionality, adding Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto. If you are new to our channel, haven't seen us before, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. And remember, guys, we've got that absolutely fantastic competition live on our channel. We're giving away a brand new PlayStation 5 Disc Edition controller, as well as an Audison Prima 8.9 amplifier, so you guys at home can actually upgrade the sound in your vehicle. However, let's get on with today's video. So the full conversion is being talked about in today's video. In terms of what we've done, we've taken out the dated single DIN unit and replaced that and upgraded that with a brand new 7-inch Pioneer unit. The unit is called a Pioneer Z9200. It has loads of functionality packed live within it. Link for the product is in the description below, guys. So if you want to check out the full spec, make sure you go check out that link. However, the unit features wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, as well as the fact you've got CD and DVD functionality, all live directly on a 7-inch screen. To be able to do this on this vehicle, what's actually involved on the install? So it's removing that unit, putting in a gloss black fascia panel on this occasion. We also do a matte finish as well. We actually relocate a lot of the buttons to the side panel, making room for that 7-inch screen. It looks absolutely phenomenal once it's in there, but the added functionality that you guys are getting when driving the vehicle is now beyond anything that you've ever had in a Defender. So overall, that's a really nice way of actually upgrading the actual media system in the vehicle. We obviously, as you guys know, perform a lot of audio upgrades in terms of the sound system on these vehicles too. However, on this particular install, we've actually just carried out a full soundproofing package for the Defender 110. We've got bonnet soundproofing, we've got doors, we've got the roof, the floor, all area on this vehicle is fully soundproofing using skins, 3mm layer, as well as panel liner along the roof. However, there'll be a full separate video on that upgrade itself, so make sure you go check that out when that does go live. But today's video is all about that upgraded unit. One thing that's really nice about this unit as well is you've got a maximizing screen of 7 inches on there, but you've also got the ability to press that eject button, screen flips forward, and you've got CD and DVD functionality built into the unit as well. You've got a separate microphone which is installed really discreetly at the top part, and we're also using the factory antenna here and actually converted that using what's called a DAB splitter to utilize this existing antenna to convert you now to having digital radio in the vehicle. We also do a stubby aerial as a different solution that you might find as we go through the audio consultation. When you come by and see us, we do loads of different upgrades, whether it's cosmetic stuff to the outside and the exterior of Defender, or to all of the audio and electronical components inside the actual Defender as well. So hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. You've seen a little bit more about how the system works and looks inside the Defender 110. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and remember, we've got that massive competition live on our channel as well, so make sure you go check that out. A link for that is in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon.